Welcome to Vintage Variety. Today I am going to be doing a vintage and antique jewelry unboxing from fellow YouTuber Dana Stewart Coates from Killer Queen Antiques. So today we're going to do an unboxing. I've already cut the majority of it open. These are items that I ordered from Dana Stewart Coates over at Killer Queen Antiques. I did send her some items a while back. So let's see what all we have here. It's been so long since I had ordered these items. I had totally forgotten about them because I had requested that she hold off on sending them. The reason for that is I know that shipping is really expensive, and I did not want her to have to spend the cost for just one item, so I was kind of waiting until I ordered something else. So this is a bracelet. Is this not gorgeous? And it has a padlock heart on it. And this is set in sterling. Beautiful chain on this. I am having to insert a photo here. I've been having some issues with my editing software, and I did lose some of the video content. I wanted to mention that this bracelet is vintage, but it is done in an antique style, and she does sell antique bracelets like this one on her channel. And then we have this item. This is also sterling. Isn't that beautiful? It's a daisy brooch. And this one is antique, guys. Isn't that beautiful, though? Here we have another one. This is gorgeous. And this one is also antique. I don't recall ordering this one. I believe she may have just sent this as a gift. Usually when you order from her, she does include a few gifts. So this is really beautiful, and this will go with this one very well. It would also make a beautiful necklace pendant. I think both of these would make beautiful pendants. You can buy a converter, a brooch converter, that goes on the back of the pin. I think I have a couple of them where you just slide it onto the pin, and it has a bail where you can attach a chain. The way this is made, I wouldn't even have to do that. All I would need to do would be to insert a jump ring so that I could wear this on a chain. And I may do that. I love brooches. I love wearing them. But I also like the idea of wearing this beautiful brooch as a pendant. And with this one, I think I could probably do the same thing, but I wouldn't. I don't think it would look right. I think with this one, I would simply just add a brooch converter to it and wear this as a necklace. This is a gift item also. Or gift items, rather. Oh, this is beautiful. Is that not gorgeous, guys? And of course it fits. Dana is really good about knowing the sizes for people that buy from her. Another brooch. This one is also antique, and from the looks of it, it is also sterling. See if we can pick that up. Oh, this is beautiful, and it's a Scottish thistle brooch. I have a friend that her family, she's from Canada, but her heritage is Scottish, and she loves things like this. She will definitely want this one if she sees it. This one is also sterling silver, and this is marked on the back. Just a beautiful Scottish thistle brooch. And what I like about this is that the thistle is located inside of this horseshoe. So this is a brooch that I will wear for good luck. And some real pearl earrings. Then she was also kind enough to send me some items for crafting. And all of these are cultured pearls. These are beautiful. So I do need to do some crafting videos. These are Baroque pearls, and they are gorgeous. Here's another small package of Baroque pearls. I really do have enough here to make a single necklace out of those. And there's some more pearls in the bottom of this bag. I'm wondering how these two would look together if I were to string these dark pearls with these white pearls. You guys let me know what you think in the comments. All of these are just absolutely beautiful. And then this is kind of a mixture. I can see some rice pearls in here. Wow, what a wonderful gift. As I've already mentioned, I do have quite a few craft projects that I want to try and make time for, and when I do, I will share those with you guys. We did have a disaster here, and it did involve my studio. There is a guest bathroom located beside my studio, and we had a leak. So unfortunately, in order for the plumber to access the pipes for that leak, they had to cut a hole in my studio wall. Now, you guys will remember when I redid the room that my studio's in and finished it, I did content on it. I'll leave a link to that below in case you missed it. And I was so proud of the room and the way it looked. But now we have a big hole in the wall that has to be patched, puttied, repaired, and repainted. Not only that, but because the pipe had leaked into this room, we had to cut out a huge section of carpet and padding. Just guessing, I would say it was a 2 foot by 5 foot section. So that is going to have to be repaired also. My guess is we're either going to have to replace the carpeting or take the carpeting up and maybe put down wood flooring or something in its place. So when it rains, it pours. I eventually will get around to my craft projects, I hope. I'm going to keep my fingers crossed. Lots of beautiful items from Dana. A lot of really thoughtful gifts. I adore the padlock bracelet. I know that a lot of you guys that are subscribed to my channel and watch my content are also subscribed to Dana. But if you're new to my channel, definitely go over and check her channel out. I've tagged her in this content, and there's also a link to her channel in the description box below this video. Dana is based in the United Kingdom, and she has access to some fabulous European antique jewelry. She shows antique fine jewelry, antique costume jewelry, and she also features vintage jewelry on her channel occasionally. I want to thank you for taking time out of your day to share these beautiful items with me. Leave me a comment and let me know which item was your favorite. If you enjoyed this content, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications on more content about collecting vintage and antique items. Thank you again for watching, and I hope you all have a wonderful day.